Alright, this is going to be one of several sets of elevators here at Place Ville Marie. And look at this. They are modding the elevators here. This is the high rise over here. See, look at that. Alright, let's head on up to the top. See if we can get KONE M Series call buttons are still here. And it looks like we're getting a new one first. See, look at this. Alright, let's go to 41. 40. As you can see, compass is coming. Forty.
40e. Étage. Nous descendons.
Oh, wrong floor. The new cabs look nice though, I will say. But I'm upset super rare elevators are going. Oh, this is sad. Alright. We're on RC.
Rez-de-chaussée.
Alright.
Montons.
Sorry. I'm gonna try to get an unmodded one. See, these elevators are all labeled on the lanterns. It appears only these two are original. And we got this one. This is the service elevator. Let's go to PH 41. This one's original. And you got your indicator that shows your progress in the shaft as you go up or down, which is pretty cool. Here we are on 41. And you also have a GAL COP there. Let's go back down. Look at this. Look at these fixtures. Very rare. We're stopping somewhere. 28. You heading down?
Yep.
Which floor?
12.
12?
Yep.
I'm just checking out the elevators, that's all. They're currently replacing them right now when... Yeah. 12? Here we are. I got the door. Interesting how they have KONE M Series buttons like the passengers do for the zone this bank serves, but they have these buttons here for all the other floors. I've never seen that before. Here we are on RC. Look at this. Oh, it's going down. GB. Let's go back up. You heading up? Which one? 36.
Vendredi, lundi, puis après toute la semaine. calvaire, c'est on bouchait des heures de fou. Oh yes.
20. Heading up.
C'est 39, hein?
39. 30, non, 38, 38.
38, c'est sûr?
38.
Yeah.
Ah, on peut coller comment? On peut pas sortir 39?
Non, on peut pas sortir.
Qu'est-ce qui est intéressant pour la Cour fédérale, c'est aussi que quand il est tard, tu peux téléphoner avant Vancouver pour des informations.
I'm just fascinated by the elevators.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, and I see they're actually replacing them right now.
Hein?
Okay.
That's true. You actually buy yourself 3 hours to file it in paper.
Ça monte,
Ça monte.
ça monte.
Ça monte,
Attends,
ouais.
je te mets comme ça.
That's probably going to give you a time zone that you have to file in.
The other way around is less funny.
Yeah, but that's why you just always file in Vancouver.
C'est peut-être autre chose.
Excusez-moi.
36. Whoa, and you can see the Otis barriers over there. United Technologies.
Tu t'en vas bien, Claude?
Va très bien. J'aime ça. J'aime ça.
I got the door.
Va trop bien. Va trop bien. Wow.
Here we are, 41. That is a cool indicator right there. Shows your progress. All right, you have a good day, sir. All right, now we're gonna head back down. Oh wow, look at this. They have the compass panel installed here, but it isn't working yet. Since there's currently only one original, we're... Huh. I'm guessing either the top floor is locked or that's the only original working. I don't know. And we get this one. All right. And we'll get off on RC. $40.
Descendons.
Okay.
Sixième étage. Nous descendons.
These things are busy. Hopefully no more stops from here on out. Now we're in the express zone. Wow, well that was quite a thundering stop.
Rez-de-chaussée.
There it goes. Elevator call button out of order. And those are the new call buttons for this elevator that don't work. Oh, this one's been modded too. So yeah, I guess that is the only original one. Well, anyways, there it goes. That'll be it.